What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today it's a mail day. We got in a brand spanking new gas tank. The reason why I went ahead and bought a brand new one is because, for one, I got a heck of a deal on it, and two, the other one I couldn't get the screws out. So to put in the new sending unit that I bought, you gotta have the screws out. So I went ahead and picked up this nice thing. I'm almost kind of scared to put gas in it, so nice. I ain't used to nice shiny stuff. But also we got brake lines for the back, as in the brake video. I don't know if you noticed or not, but we broke the brake line trying to get it in the wheel cylinder, so those is going to come in handy. And I also picked up this nice chrome radiator, or not radiator, valve cover. I don't know why I said radiator. But nice chrome valve cover. That's going to fix a leaking problem, I hope. Alright, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Just a little bit of miscellaneous stuff. Alright, hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so let's get this nice gas tank out of here. Oh yeah. That's much nicer than what I was working with. And it came with the gasket for the sending unit. It came with the bottom bolt plug, and it came with fuel sending unit screws, so that's awesome. So now we're just going to go ahead and put in the fuel sending unit, get it hooked up, and go ahead and put in the tank. We're going to put in the tank first and then do the brake lines, I guess. Or actually, I might should do the brake lines first. Might be a little bit easier to get to them with the tank out. I'll check and see. Oh, and we got the filler neck O-ring. Alright, so I believe I may have gotten the wrong ones. You can see the holes look the same, but definitely ain't lining up, are they? So I may try and just bend it and see if I can try to make it look like this one. I don't know, but we'll see. I decided I'm just going to send this one back and pick up the right one. I believe this might be for a 55, 57 truck. I don't know, but it ain't for a Tri-5. So with that being said, I'm gonna put on the brake lines and do the valve cover and call it a day until we get the right stuff. So, all right, I apologize about that. So I got everything jacked up. Got it spaced up on some 2x4s. But as you can probably see, it is definitely past time for new brake lines. We got a hole over here, probably got a hole over there. If not, it's fixing to be a hole over there. But all it is held in by these clips. So you just get them out the clips, and then over, let's see if I can zoom in. I apologize for shaking a little bit. But right over there, you got a little junction block where the two lines come together, and on the other side you got a rubber hose. I also got that one coming in the mail as well, but it hasn't got here yet, but hopefully it'll be here soon. So anyways, I'm gonna set y'all up, go ahead and start getting everything undone, then I'll bring y'all back. As you can see, as I'm taking off this brake line, it's twisting, done broke the line, so it's definitely a good thing that we put the new ones on here. And I hate to be going down the road and that happen. Alright, got one more to go. Hopefully it goes just as easy. Hey, that one's on there. Wow. Alright, well, you know, we're going to have one that's going to be a pain. Man. I might go get some heat. Trying to heat it up. Alright, so I got my propane. I want to go ahead and get this going. Just going to heat it up. The box. What we're trying to do here is expand it. That way the line will come out easier. Alright, let's try that. Alright, put that down on my 3/8. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah, see there? Works every time. Just like so. A little heat, save your butt. Oh yeah, that one's broken on that side, or unless I just broke it, but either way, it's broken now. If it wasn't so hot, I'd go ahead and unscrew it by hand. Oh. And we're going to reuse the junction boxes. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so now we can go ahead and pop them out the line clips. Go ahead and put in the new ones. We're going to go ahead and knock off this dirt dauber nest while we're down here. I don't know if I can get it with this wrench or not. Boy, it's a big old nest. I've been breeding on here for decades. Call this the love machine. I do need to pick out a name for it. If anybody want to recommend anything. I would like to keep it 50s related because I'm a 50s guy. So I appreciate it. Just put it down there in the comments. And if I choose you, I'll pin you and give you a shout out in my next video. Wow. There we go. Hey, I didn't even see the plug there. Couldn't even see it. I ordered some 80/90 for the rear end. I was looking online, couldn't really find what weight to run in here. So I looked in my shop manual. That thing's a lifesaver. Now from the factory, they recommend you put straight 90 in here. Unless you live in like a really cold climate during the winter, they recommend you put 80 in it, but then change it back out and put 90 in here. But straight 90 weight is really hard to find nowadays. So I picked up some Lucas 80/90 and we're gonna roll with it. This is my baby right here. I've got to admit, I've bonded a lot with this car since I've gotten it and began working on it, so I definitely want to treat this one really good and make it last for 50 more years or 60 more years. Alright, so now I'm going to try and go ahead and pop out these clips. I figured I'd show you knocking off that ancient thing. But, alright, be back with you. Alright, so here's the brake line. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the wheel cylinder and then put it in the junction block. Alright, there we have this side. Alright, before I snug that up, I'm going to go back to the other side now, get it started, and bring y'all back. Alright, finally, after struggling, I got the brake lines in. What's going on, y'all? 2 days later, we're going to go ahead and take off this old bent up leaking valve cover, get on that new shiny chrome one. Alright, so we just got 4 flat heads. Go ahead and whip those out. There's one. Work on number 2 back here. I would also like to thank Michael Yankee for his donation to the channel. It is much appreciated. If you would like to donate, you can donate here. I got all 4 of those out. Let's try and maneuver this bad boy out of here. Just like so. Voila. On with the new. And this looks nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's much better. Thanks to a viewer, subscriber to the channel. He told me about these valve covers on Amazon. I got it for like 80 bucks, free shipping. Couldn't beat it. The only negative about it is it didn't come with the breather up here, so I have to rig something up for that. That ain't no biggie. The old 57s came a long way since first got it. Considering it had been sitting in a field abandoned for many decades, to now being running, driving, lots of new parts. It's amazing how this car has came along. And it's only going to come along even better as time goes on and as more money comes in for it. It's definitely expensive, adds up quick, but it's definitely worth it. Alright, try to get this last one in here. Snugged up the back driver side. Want to snug up the front passenger side. Passenger back. And driver side front. You ain't gotta really put the oomph behind them. Just get them kind of snug. Alright, that should be us. Oh yeah, that gasket ain't moving now. That's awesome. Yeah, so there we have it. Turned out good, I think. Gasket looks good all the way around. There's the problem area. As you can see, everything's nice and snug, so that fixed that. Gonna run with the original oil cap for time being, but turned out great. I apologize about the gas or the fuel sending unit not being the correct one, but I went ahead and got that ordered, so it should be here soon. Gonna ship back the other one. We'll go ahead and whip that gas tank in there. I apologize that I couldn't do it all in today's video, but we'll get it. We still got, you know, minor things to do and, you know, finish everything up with the brakes and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. Kind of a little short little video, just pedaling around with the 57, making small little improvements. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit that like button. And while you're there, hit that subscribe to see more of it. See it come back to life and see others just like it come back to life. Alright y'all, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Y'all be blessed. Take care.